Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the magazine and loader are clean and undamaged. Safety first. Once done, set the magazine into the loader so the feed lips align with the loader's mouth. Push the loader housing down firmly while holding the magazine base. This creates the gap you need to start. Now insert the first round into the loader slot, making sure the bullet nose points forward and the casing seats straight. This initial alignment prevents binding as you continue loading additional rounds. With the first round seated, keep the magazine steady and use the loader lever or push pad to push each round down until it clicks into place. Make sure you depress fully. Partial presses cause double feeds. Once a few rounds are in, tilt or rotate the magazine a touch to let cartridges align and reduce pressure on the spring. Continue loading one round at a time, counting audibly. If you hit increased resistance, stop and reseat the follower to prevent damage. Slow, controlled presses speed the job and prevent jams. Once the magazine reaches capacity, release the loader and remove it while keeping the magazine oriented upward. Visually confirm every round sits level with the feed lips and none are protruding or tilted. Then insert the magazine into the firearm and rack the slide or perform a safe function check to ensure proper feeding. If a round is misaligned or you feel excessive spring tension, remove the magazine and unload carefully, then reload slowly, watching alignment to prevent the same.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.